Do you know Singapore's birthday? Every country has a birthday. Singapore's birthday is August 9th. Today, I will tell you the story of Singapore's birthday. In episode 2, we learned about Stamford Raffles. He built a town. It grew and grew. But Singapore was not a country yet. A country is a place with its own flag, its own leader, its own rules. Singapore was part of another country, Malaysia. But in 1965, Singapore separated from Malaysia. Separate means not together anymore. Not together anymore. Singapore became independent. Independent means you can do things by yourself. Singapore was now its own country. The leader of Singapore was Mr. Kuan Yew. Leader, the person in charge. TV to tell everyone. But he did not smile. He cried. Why did he cry? Because he was happy and sad at the same time. Happy? Singapore is independent. Sad? Singapore is very, very small. Can a small country survive? But the people said, we can do it together. Officially on August 9th, 1965, Singapore got its own flag. Flag, red and white. A crescent moon and 5 stars. Every year on August 9th, people celebrate to do something special for a happy day. They watch fireworks, they sing songs. It is Singapore's birthday. Let's practice our new words. Number 1, country. Say it with me. Country. Singapore is a country. Can you say it? Singapore is a country. Good. Number 2, independent. Say it. Independent. Singapore became independent in 1965. Nice. Number 3, flag. Say it. Flag. Singapore's flag is red and white. Great. Number 4, cried. Cry is now, cried is in the past. He cried. The leader cried on TV. Good. Number 5, happy. Say it. Happy. The people were very happy. Wonderful. Quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. When is Singapore's birthday? Did you say August 9th? You got it. Question 2. What did Mr. Lee Kuan Yew do on TV? said he cried. You are correct. Question 3. What colours are on Singapore's flag? Can you say it again? Red and white? Absolutely correct. Well done. In the next episode, I shall tell you about the merlion, Singapore's famous lion on the sea. Do you remember the lion from episode 1? That's the one. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.